Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, wash and dry your hands thoroughly, then open the lens case and inspect the lens for rips or dust. Grip the lens on your index finger so the rim forms a smooth bowl. If the edge flares, it's inside out. With your other hand, pull the upper lid up and steady the lower lid with a fingertip. Lean toward the mirror, bring the lens straight in, and aim for the center of the eye. This initial placement sets everything that follows. Once the lens touches, keep looking at the target and hold steady for a second to let surface tension pull it into place. If it's off-center, blink once, then close your eye and massage gently through the lid to slide the lens toward the pupil. Make small, precise nudges. Never pinch the lens while on the eye. If vision is blurred, inspect the lens edge and clean or reapply. Correct centering gives clear focus and prevents irritation or tearing. Now confirm comfort. You should feel no sharp edges and vision should be crisp. Look up, down, left, right to ensure the lens moves slightly with your eye and returns to center. If it's dry or stubborn, add a drop of preservative-free saline or artificial tears, blink until it repositions, and wait a few minutes. If pain, persistent redness, or reduced vision continues, remove the lens immediately and inspect it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.